Alright guys, we got a new edition. Picked it up a few days ago. 88, or it had 88,000. I put 1,000 on it already. 88,000 miles on it. 3 grand or thereabouts. And I do really like it, but I've got a bit of a problem already. It's sort of losing power. So every 100 miles, going into limp mode. So I've ran the old scanner on it. No error codes are being stored. I think that's just finished now. So no codes, but when I'm testing, if we have a look at the live data, the throttle body, the position is not changing. So potential, I've had a Google and seems to be very common. Doesn't seem to store the codes. I even scanned it when the code was sort of active. It still didn't pick anything up. But if we have a look at, there we go. So showing 87, 86%. Give it a bit of gas. Still, you know, hardly any change. I quickly chuck it in the other Ford and see how that compares. Right, so not the same car, but similar. And what we should see is sort of a nice sort of variant when the throttle's open and when it's not. There we go. So we get 11. And then we're getting up to about 85. Yeah, so hopefully should just be able to replace the sensor or something. If any of you could let me know, I'd really appreciate it. Right, so there we go, throttle body sensor. I disconnected it. Gonna try, hopefully that fix it. Yeah, apart from this problem, guys, if you want a little workhorse, this is lovely to run. So, fingers crossed, just unplugging it and plugging it in has fixed it. Otherwise, I'm going to have to check, I suppose, if it's actually stuck open, which it could be, or it could just be the sensor. Nope, so that hasn't fixed it. Still 87, 86. Very little change. So I'll probably try and get those hoses off, see if I can just have a peek, see if it's open. I might have a go at that now, and let you know. Right, so we're back where we started, guys. But at least I think we've solved the problem. Well, not solved it, but we've figured it out. The throttle body is stuck open for whatever reason, so we're gonna have to look into that quickly. Surely when I disconnected the hose, I'll chuck the pictures in now. It is staying open, so obviously it should be closed. So I'm not sure if it's a sensor giving it the wrong information, telling it to you know, stay open, but can't see why it would do that. So any help would be fantastic. But I'll have a Google now. Cheers, guys.